Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanchopagama. Tonight on Imbewu, Makosazana tell Naropi that Menze is back, and it seems like Menze is acted as a ghost and the most and used as a most on her office. Shira tries to dissuade her mother from the idea of Menze, but Naropi is curious about why he just left. An almost all-time moment between Mazulu and Phakade when Sebenzile arrived with the breakfast for Phakade. While Mzwandile got a job, and Phakade tell that Zagiti will offer Mzwandile a job, but Phakade he will be a reference of Mzwandile. That is for tonight. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.
Uthando lwakho nje mina ngawe ngigcwele ngiyakutshela sange bangifaka umoya ngawe ngayifela mangithi ngiyaphuma ngiyofuna amasenta kuze wena nomndeni wami nibedese dala ngikufuna